Wednesday night live. I generally do it, and I generally solve the student queries. Mainly, this is for the career related questions. Okay, so please keep it to this career related questions what you have, and I can answer that. See, a lot of you are coming from some different background, and also a lot of you have questions. So, what are those questions? That is something which I will tell in this thing, and I do this a lot. Sometimes I miss it this thing because I have a lot of other works also, but the thing is that I'm there. Okay, so welcome all. Okay, I'm live. Okay, so welcome all. So please do join, and please do ask anything what you want to ask. Okay, so people are joining. Let me wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and let me wait. Okay. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, legend. Yeah. Yes, sir, I had dinner. Okay. Yeah, good evening. You all can ask. So you can ask anything related to your career, or I will start. Okay. So someone was today only. Someone was asking me means sir means after React what after HTML CSS and React should do I have to learn some backend? And as I have always told, please don't go for backend. React is more than enough. If you have React in your resume, it is not possible that you will not get a job. So and that is there. And the backend, please don't go for backend. Why I'm telling don't go for backend? Because that guy also I have answered the same thing. Don't go for a backend thing, because the thing is that if you go in any company, like I know a lot of backend, but I had never worked in a backend team in my career. So when I was working as an architect, I was a front end architect, not a back end architect, and I was working in a team of 50 people. So there was like 10 people in the back end and 40 people in the front end. So front end is very big. Front end is very big. So Sagar, Chad, this is not for some technical thing. This is like a student queries. Remove duplicate from an array. Yeah, you can remove duplicates from an array of object using reduce method. I'm not stopping you. You remove it anyway. Anyhow you want to remove. So Sagar, if you don't know, this is like a Wednesday night live. This is for your career related questions. So if you want to remove, you remove it however way you want. You search it in the internet like remove duplicates from an array of an object using reduce method. You do it with reduce method. Nobody is stopping you. Okay, so it is necessary to learn the older way of redux. So what is a older way of redux? I don't understand, but redux is very important to learn, because without redux you cannot be hired. Means all the people are going to ask you this redux thing. Okay, whenever you go for a react interview, so react is not complete without redux and react routers. Those are the two things which are like a very important. Okay, so interview questions is over, Saga. This is a different thing. This is a different live stream. This is a Wednesday night live, and in this I answer student queries, and these student queries are like career related queries. Okay, so that is no problem. Okay, so okay, so you're asking map to props and all. So map to props and all, yeah, you need to understand that also, because the use dispatch hook and use whatever it is, use selector hook is quite new. So you have to know the thing like that. How to earn online by web development? Okay, that's a good question. Okay, okay. So how? how do we have a now we have a template for Redux. I don't know this thing, but Redux have got nowadays there is something known as toolkit. You should know that also. What is a Redux toolkit? Okay, so please check on my channel. There is a Redux toolkit thing is also there. You can check that. How to, so let me answer this thing. How to earn online by web development. How to earn online by web development. So that is a very good question, because so there are two ways to see if you want to be a web developer or if you want to be a web app developer. So if you want to be a web developer, it means you have to learn WordPress. And as far as I know, you want to earn online because you're asking for a freelancing thing. Okay, so freelancing thing, let us understand. If you want to be a web developer, which is like you have to learn WordPress, for that HTML CSS, only HTML CSS is required and WordPress is required. Then you have to go to Fiverr and all those things, and you have to find a job, which is very difficult to find actually. And but if you add React to it, and then you don't even have to go to Fiverr.com. Okay, I'll tell the freelancing way. Okay, so freelancing way today I will for Ringo I'll tell the freelancing way. So if you learn React, okay, so then what you do, then the next thing, you don't go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com also you can go, but you go to some Facebook groups. I'm not going to tell the Facebook group. Just search for the Facebook group like web developer with React. What do you find? There are a lot of Facebook groups. Go to those Facebook groups. Always, literally always, someone is posting for some freelancing job there. Always you'll get some freelancing work there if you learn React. Okay, very easy to get freelancing work. If you know React, it is way too easy to get a freelancing job. Okay, so that is there. Someone can become aware, and this is from a friend. So Masham has asked how to become a web developer. So to become a web developer, you have to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. The main thing is here is the React is the main thing. So you have to learn React to become a web app developer, because even if I'm talking through some thing known as a Restream, this is a completely a web app. Okay, this is a web app. This is not like something like maybe I will I will share my screen. I'll share my screen. So this is what I'm using. This is what. This is a complicated web app. This is not like earlier what used to happen. Everything used to be a website. So see this is streaming and all these things are happening. I'm chatting also here. How I'm chatting here? How I am streaming here. So this is a complicated web app, and this is not created by one person. It is created by a very big team. Okay, so this is what a web app is all about. LinkedIn, Facebook, everything is a web app. Okay, so those are web apps. Okay, so that is how big the web app thing is. Now it is not like you have not even used a, nobody even remember when the last time they have used some desktop application. So it is like that. Tell me how to work meta tag. You don't work on meta tag. So who tells you that how to work meta tag? So you don't want, you need to how to work search engine in web development. I'm not a digital marketer, so I don't know how to do search engine in web development. That is known as SEO, search engine optimization. And for that, you have to join some digital marketing course. Okay, so I'm not the correct person to do that. Meta tag work, I can tell you that meta tag, I always tell meta tag is something which is there, and the Google bots come to that and search the meta tag for the keywords and all. But those things keep on changing, and even I take help of digital marketing team. If I will be frank with you, I take help from the digital marketing team. Okay, right now also I have taken help from a digital marketing team. I'm not good in digital marketing. I'm a developer. I'm not good in digital marketing. So that is their forte, not my forte. Okay, so that is a, sir, I'm an art student and want to make a career in web development and want to make money from freelance. I haven't money for my college fee. You cannot make any money with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is equivalent to zero money you can make with these three things. Almost zero money. You have to add React to it, or else you will not make any money. As I've told earlier, you cannot make any money out of it. If you want to be good in it, you have to learn React.js. Without that, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, it is a waste. Without React.js, it's a waste. Literally, it's a waste. You cannot make any money out of it. It's the world of React. Okay, so you cannot make this complicated web app which I just showed. You cannot make it in JavaScript. You have to make it in React.js. The moment you have React.js, even in a resume, you don't even have to think about a job. People will come after you with job. There was a, I don't remember, means there was White Hat Junior ad in which a kid was coding some mobile app, and everybody was to used to come after him with jobs and jobs. So that is the thing which happened. The moment you have R of React also in your resume, R, only R, alphabet R of React in your resume, the HRs will come after you. The freelancing jobs will come after you. That is what I'm telling for such a long time. You just have to the R of React.js in your resume, nothing else. Even if you're very junior in React.js developer, I require people in React.js. I was talking to someone, means like people pay in gold if you know React.js. That is as simple as that. Even as a freelancer, as a like a totally you don't know anything, like you have around 10 React.js projects also. You have done 10 React.js projects also. Look at a job. It is not possible that you do 10-15 React.js project, big projects. So a lot of my students are there, like Ankit is here. Ankit is doing very good work, and I actually offered Ankit some job yesterday only. I told him, okay, you, because I have a job at my home location Bhopal. I have a job, but he want to stay in Bangalore and all that is there. But I seeing his work. I offered him a job. I literally offered him a job. You can ask him. I offered him a job. A very good means starting job. The main thing is that you have to get in the industry. I saw that Ankit was preparing a lot of React.js projects on the LinkedIn. I go through his projects. Go through Ankit's LinkedIn profile. You see how much React.js is working. So he did some very good React.js projects. So seeing that, I will give, and I have promised him that I will forward his resume to a lot of startups which I know in the Bangalore. Okay, so that is like that. It is there. The moment you know React.js, you will not have to look for a job. And if you want freelancing, go to some learn React.js, go to some Facebook groups for React.js, and you will find it. Okay, so the jobs you'll find. Okay, so that is there. It is necessary to have a lot of knowledge of REST API, lot of knowledge of REST API, because REST API is very important. Okay, 5 days interview session covers everything to get a front end job. It covers a lot of things, but yeah, it covers a lot of things. 5 days interview session, but I don't know how much I will able to cover, because 3 days are done. I'll see how much I will able to cover. Okay, so that is there. But I think you have to give interviews, then you will get the thing. And one thing I want to tell that for interviews, sometime in startup what happens, they don't even ask for interview. They'll see your github profile, they will see your LinkedIn. They will, maybe I will tell that in the last day, they'll give you a take home assignment, or sometime they make you to do some assignment on the go only, because someone will see it. Nowadays most of the startup takes interviews like that. If it's an online interview, they'll ask you to code something on something known as stack blitz or something like that, react js something, in half an hour or 1 hour. They will ask you to do that, and that is how you get a job. Okay, so that is there. Because I have recently forwarded a lot of resume to a lot of my startup friends who have companies, and that they have given some take home assignment. So take home assignments are like big, some API assignment they will give, and you have to do it. You cannot find them on the internet also. It's not that much easy. Okay, you cannot copy it from anywhere. A lot of people who gets the take home assignment, they ask me to do their take home assignment. I say, how can I do, means what you learn, means why I should do it. So that is there. And so you're asking good questions. Okay. Oh, that is there. And okay. Okay, so please do like this video. And there was something else also there, which someone asked me, means today only, person asked me, like one of a known person, that if I do a BCA, is the MCA required to, after learning React.js, how to find freelancing jobs? Okay, this is a very good question. Okay, one sec. One sec. As tell everyone, if you learn React.js, you don't have a fine freelancing job. I will give you a job. As simple as that. I'm telling you, I'm giving you a challenge. I will give you a job if you learn React.js. You don't have to search for it. I'll give you a job. I will give you a job. I'll give you a job. Okay. So that is there. So please answer my last query is what your answer. How to work search engine in I don't know how to work search engine. Okay, so that is there. As I told you, I answered your question. I don't know. You can. Okay. If you want to learn this search engine optimization, this is known as SEO. I said this is known as SEO. I am not the right person. Okay, I'm not the right person. If you want to learn SEO and all, I'm not the right person. Okay, so go to some digital marketer. I'm not a digital marketer. So there is someone known as Digital Deepak. I'm giving you the even the people search for this guy, Digital Deepak or Digital Pratik. You search for these people and you learn search engine optimization from them. I'm not the right person. Ask them. Okay. Okay. So So there are three questions are there. So let me answer all of them. What is the basic education requirement for a developer? The basic education requirement for a developer is none, because if you work in a startup it is not required, and but if you go for some service based company, they will definitely require b computers and all, and low level english speaking is okay. No, it is not okay. You have to learn how to speak in english, or else it will be very difficult, especially to become a web app developer, because I have talked to many people, including people from companies in Indore, in which those who don't know, Indore is like the commercial capital for MP, and here Hindi is the main thing. So there the CEOs have talked with me and they have told me, okay, so learn to have a knowledge of everything is okay, but without English we cannot give you a job. Without English it is not possible, because you have to go connect with clients which are all like the US based clients, and all those things are there. Okay. So if I complete all HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, how to get a job, you just see how Ankit shares on the LinkedIn, Manohar, and he has more than 2 to 3,000 people on his LinkedIn profile. So you have to post all your projects on LinkedIn, or else how I will know if you know anything. Okay, so that is there. And now Ankit is there a bit of experience of using React just rather than other languages. Okay, so I use Angular also. So I use a lot of things. I use Angular, I use React Native and all. So but I'm mainly for the past 5 to 10 years, 5 to 10 years I am in this JavaScript ecosystem. So I have not gone outside the JavaScript ecosystem. I worked in Java and all also, but those things I don't work anymore because there are no jobs in that. Okay, so that is there. So I have never means now nobody have to go outside the JavaScript ecosystem. So Angular is there, Node.js is there. So those things are there on my channel also. So React is the most easiest one of them in comparison to Angular and all. So I was thinking to do some Angular course also this month, but I don't have much time this month. So this Angular is like a lot more tougher than React, and it has got less jobs. So I always tell people to do React, but there are some jobs of Angular in service based company like TCS and Infosys and all. So that's why I was planning. I have Angular content on my channel also. Okay, so that is there. Okay, so hope it answers your question, and so that is there. Okay. Yeah, someone was today. Someone in not in this channel. Someone asked me that after if I do a BCA after BCA, so should I do MCA? So I will tell no. After BCA, it is more than BCA is more than enough. And I know for parents you have to do sometime this graduations and all. Although BCA is also not here. BCA is like a waste. BCA is also a waste. Okay, so if you want to do, it's okay BCA, but don't go for MCA. I have people who have gone for MCA, but the problem with MCA is that MCA is will take out all of your time, because MCA is like complicated as a B is very complicated. MCA is also B. MCA is also very tough. Okay, so you do that, and the problem with any graduation is that you cannot do a job. You have to do an internship. So that is it. So please, I want to know that what you want to know. I told you to. Okay, okay. I have to tell you. Contact. I'll write it. Okay. Contact digital Deepak. Contact digital Deepak. Okay. Contact Rinku. Contact digital Deepak. I am not the right person for SEO. I don't know SEO. I don't even know what is SEO or S of SEO means. Okay. So please do contact digital Deepak. I am not the right person. I am a developer. I'm not a marketer. Okay. So that is there. So which kind of projects are the best for learning? Which are there on my on our channel? So first on React.js, and then okay, let me also give the playlist. Okay, so this is the React projects. Okay, this is the React projects. Go check it out here. Okay. Yeah, we have spoken English classes also on our channel. Awesome. We have spoken English channel on our channel also. We have done it 2 times, and maybe we are going to do it again. So our trainer is a bit busy, but we are going to do it again. So in this month or in the next month, we are going to do it again. Spoken English classes. We have like this 1 week long classes are there. So that is there. And okay, Rinku, please type your question, whatever you have. Okay. Okay, as I was telling, as I've always told that degrees doesn't matter. If you're going to work for a startup and all, degree doesn't matter. But if you are doing something, then complete it. Okay, don't leave it in the between. I have people who have left the BTech in the between because it was very tough. But it is okay. Even if it is tough, please go through it. And if you're finding it tough, then only leave it. Okay, sometimes BTech is very tough also to do. Okay, so that is there, and it is there. And what else? So someone was typing some question. Okay, and as one sec, one sec. Okay, so I will give this. This is English boot camp. How to show out this problem? I'm not getting how to show out this problem means what. After 12th, what is the way forward to become a web developer? After 12th, okay, you only have till 12th. Okay, so it's like just go, just do. I know a lot of people who were doing engineering, but in the first or second year only, that started doing a lot of internships and lot of things are there they have done, and they have become a developer. So just the thing is that you have to learn, and just then if you are doing a graduation, then you have to apply for a lot of internship, because there is a rule from the government. The rule is that you cannot do a job when you are in a college. So that is the problem with that. You have that rule is there. So if you are in a college, you have to do a lot of internships, and the thing is that it doesn't matter. You just learn, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, and you do the internship. So that is as simple as that. Okay, so hope it answer how to sort out this problem. I'm not getting into what you're writing is how to sort out this problem. What does that mean? How to sort out this problem? Okay, how what does that mean? I have some projects on calculator, weather, digital clock, and more. Okay, so are they on your LinkedIn profile? Are they on your LinkedIn profile? How do I know you have those things? Okay, so one sec. I will give a profile of a person. I'll give a profile of a person. So see this profile of this person. See, you have to be very good on LinkedIn. Okay, so that is the thing. Only to how to show those things. Okay, so I'll also copy a link. So this is how you show the thing. I have copied this thing also. I have sent this thing also. This is your LinkedIn profile should be very good. The main thing is that your LinkedIn profile should be very good. And the thing is that you have to show your projects like this, and you have to tag me. You tag me, I'll tag you back. And you have to post those videos going like this. So that is what you need to do. Okay. So that is the something which you need to do. Without CS, all the startups will give you a job. Without CS degree, all startups will give you a job. No service company will touch you, but you don't want to get in a service company. Service companies pays only like 15,000 rupees, and they have a bond of like 2 years. So I mean, even nobody should go to a service company. So with every other startup will take you. Everybody needs, see, this is the age of skills. This is not the age of like degrees and all. So degrees and all are waste nowadays. Available job as a fresher developer, apply job as a fresher developer. You go to reach to my website. Why nobody knows your website? Why they will reach to your website and all? So you post it on a LinkedIn. Okay, so don't take them to your website and all. So if you have a website, then post that website on LinkedIn that I have a website. How to apply for jobs as a fresher developer? Okay, as a fresher developer, the thing is that as I always say, that just don't apply for a job. Update your LinkedIn profile. Okay, update your LinkedIn profile, and keep on posting your projects. See, I've just posted two things here, and host like two things I posted how to do it on LinkedIn. So just do it there. And if you want some internship jobs, but internship jobs again, you need to be knowing that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. So for that, I'm not getting a link to where my upside of on key website. I'm not getting what you're telling. Please see this LinkedIn post which I have given. You have to do everything on LinkedIn. You don't have to upload your projects on your website and all. So you know GitHub and all. To do it on a GitHub. Okay, so that is there. And I was telling how to apply for jobs as a fresher. So everybody, please start posting on LinkedIn. You'll get a job on your own only. And the other thing is that you, if you want to get an internship job, internshala. There is something known as a INTERN. SHA and Internshala. There is a site known as Internshala. Go and find some internship job there. Okay, go and find some internship job on the internshala.com. Okay, but again, for going to Internshala, you have to be very good in React, because I cannot find any job without React in Internshala also. No startup have jobs without this. Okay, so that is there. Abdul have so what should you learn for backend? So you should learn nothing for backend. As I've told, please do concentrate on front end. Don't go for backend. And when you want to go for backend, go for Node.js. Please don't go for Python, Django, and all those things. Those are like nobody uses them. And they are like this hobbyist projects, hobbyist programs like this Python, Django, and Flask is there. Those are hobbyist projects. The number one backend language in the world is Java. Number two is Node.js, and everybody loves Node.js. Java has its complexities, and Java is only required unless you go till okay. So that was your. Is it possible to apply for companies like Accenture, Capgemini? It is possible to apply for companies like Accenture, Capgemini. They do hire in bulk, but as I've told, uh, that they do hire in bulk, and you have to be a fresher, like in like fresher computer science graduate, and I think they don't take more than 2 years, so that you have to figure out how to earn by create blogs. Actually, I also have no idea. I have a very big blog site. If you go to my blog site, actually that is broken a bit also, and I get a lot of I will give you my blog site. I have more than 500 blogs in my blog site. I have more than 500 blogs, but I have not monetized it. Okay, so just you have to add Google Sense ad in that. How many projects to be done to master React.js? Depends. Means I have given you the list. You have to do some big projects also in React.js. Okay, so I have, and you want to learn through blogs. It is not that much easy to learn on through blogs. I think on YouTube. Okay, so on YouTube, there are some influencers are there. So blog marketing is something I don't remember that guy name, but he teaches how to earn through blogs. Okay, so that is the you can earn through blogs, but I don't know how to earn through blogs. Even I run a very big blog site, but I have never done the monetization on. So Google AdSense and something is there you can add, but then also it is not possible to earn in that simple way. Okay, so that is not simple, and this is for the legend. Okay, so after that React project, you make these projects also, React Fabric project and React Mon projects, then it is there. So blog earning, there's a guy I don't remember his name. Actually, he teaches how to earn through blogs. On YouTube, you search, you will get someone, means like you'll in YouTube you'll get a lot of things how to earn through blogs. And there is something known as affiliate marketing. I don't know much about affiliate marketing and all. I have never gone that way affiliate marketing, but that is also a very good way to earn affiliate marketing. This term is there. Okay, you search for this term, affiliate marketing. So this term is there known as affiliate marketing. You search for this term. I have never gone that way. So in your blog you put some targeted links and all, and you can earn a lot with this affiliate marketing. I have never gone that way because that is like a different direction. It is altogether is there. So that is there. And see, go to my website. I've got 500 blogs, 500 technical blogs. Okay, so I was a blogger originally, so that is like that. That is how many blogs I have. So that is there, and today we have talked a lot. You just add Google ad in a website, and you learn from Google AdSense. There is something known as Google AdSense. You make a WordPress website, you add Google ad to it, but the Google ad doesn't. So the people will come to your website, you'll click on that, you'll earn through it. I am earning through my YouTube ads also. So that is how you earn through Google ads. Nobody is going to ask you anything. They will just going to give you the money once you hit $100. That is how we earn through YouTube. That is how we earn through websites. So that is the way to earn through all these things. Okay, but it everything takes time. Okay, so that is like that. Just just create a WordPress website or something like that, and then you keep on adding blocks. It is not like that. Google also doesn't have a very strict process. Okay, it will not even means allow you to have ads in less than 1 year. You have to add a lot of blocks in the site, then only Google will allow. It is not that much easy to earn through blogs, but I'm not the right person, because I'm not earned a lot through blog, and because I've never earned through blogs actually. So that is like that. So that is there, and I think there are not many questions. Okay. Okay, so we have done a lot today, and yeah, we've done lots today. So everybody, good night. And so I do not understand which type of website making we can earn. So Rinku, I've told you have to make website using web apps. Okay, web apps you have to do. You have to make through React websites through React. You have to do, and then you can earn. Okay, so it is not like that easy to earn. Like if you do go through, okay, go at one place if you want to earn. So Fiverr.com, you go there, Fiverr.com, and you can search how to earn and all those things. And if you are in a hurry, okay, so I think I have given the wrong name. Go to this site. Okay, so go to this site. Okay, this is the right name. The next one, go to this site. You'll find 100 ways to earn money. Okay, and go to this site and find out a way to earn money. So there are a lot of ways, like WordPress websites and all. You can start with the WordPress website. Okay, so you can create a logo also, you can earn. So there are a lot of ways to earn. So it is there. React you have to know very well. Okay, so React you have to know very well. No, you cannot get placement unless you know React very well. You have to know React very well, then only everything happens. So you have to know React pretty well, then only everything happens. React basics is not enough, so I've given some list. You have some patience and go through those lists and prepare those projects, React Fabric projects and React Man projects, and you'll get a job. So you have to be pretty good in React to get a job. Okay, so placement and all everything is there. So with this I'll end to this stream. I have done a lot of links today. 40 minutes I have done. Okay, thank you all, and we will try to do it more frequent. I generally do it on Wednesdays only. Okay, thank you all.